Hello all, welcome back. In this MeasureSquare tutorial, we will go over how to duplicate the total price of a unit for multifamily projects. A quick way to build proposals for apartment buildings. This will differ from setting your units to duplication on the tab and room level, and so this feature cannot be combined with those duplication functions. This option only applies the multiplication factor to the total price in the end, not to the quantities. When we duplicate the actual tabs, waste will be shared and not give us as accurate of a pricing per unit. Also, we will consider each tab a unit, and we must estimate by tab or phase in MeasureSquare 8 for this feature. To begin, we will verify we are estimating by tab. And then we need to add in the multiplier for each unit into the tab name. Right-click, Edit tab. At the end of the name, add in an asterisk and the number to multiply by. I will add in a multiplier of 10 and also 15. Remember, it must be an asterisk directly after the last letter or number of the tab name. This is critical. Then click on the Worksheet tab, select New, select Product Break by Area, click OK. We see we have our unit breakdown, but the multiplication is not being applied just yet. To accomplish this, we will select the Export Group option from our toolbar at the top. Select Floor and OK, Floor again and OK. We see our quantity now reflects the duplication number we added, and then this number is applied as a multiplier to our cost and sales price accordingly, essentially giving us a unit cost that we can easily multiply by any factor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more great content, and happy measuring.